Hey guys, so for today's video, I want to take you along my journey of my hair transformation at the moment, and I have had for a couple of months these dread twist fusion thingy-mabobbers that I put in my hair on my own. I have went through a phase of putting a lot of like heat and bleach and dyeing my hair constantly. Absolutely loved the looks, but obviously it eventually causes for your hair to deteriorate and damage over time. So I just want to go through a cleansed, transitioning phase. A lot of my hair, hey, this person is talking to me.
Stop it.
She disappeared. A lot of my hair has transitioned already. As you can see, even peeking through some of my dreads is my blonde hair that I had at one point in time. So I'm just gonna go from this protective style to another protective style, and I wanted to bring you guys on the journey with me. It's time to take these out of my head, and then I'm gonna do a whole care routine for the hair that's been locked up in these dreads the last few months. So let's get started. So I figured I would do a voiceover for this part, but I'm pretty much just taking my hair down, and this took me so much longer than what I was expecting. Torture. Y'all, this has taken me a long time. All I've done was just the bottom row so far, which my hair was like to here. It was to here when it was pressed. So in a curly state, it would have been more like here. No, but let me clean my camera. I'm not sure it's focusing on me properly. Can you focus on? No, I'm kidding. But I've only taken out the one row. I know this is gonna take me a minute to get all of these out. So I'm gonna continue. I just wanted to check in, let you know that I'm struggling, and I wanna sit on my butt. I would like to sit down. So I'm gonna finish taking my hair down, and then I'll check back in with you guys when I get a little closer to this region. All right. See ya. Now, this is me an hour and a half later, and I'm pretty defeated. 2 hours or so later. It feels like 2 hours. I don't know. I haven't been timing it exactly, but this is where we are right now with my dirty hair. It's a really gloomy day out today. Maybe that's also why I'm running a little slower, or it feels a lot longer. But here's the fro. So far, once I get these 2, 4, 6 out of my head, I'm gonna check back in with y'all, and then I'm gonna start doing my hair washing process, and that's gonna be very dreadful. Keep the destruction. Like, wow, so much hair. And here we are. It's Corbin Blue from Jump In. So I have officially finished taking my hair down. I have like no blonde pieces anymore. You know, see my wood? It's pretty gross. So about to head in the shower, wash my hair. This is what I'm using currently, but like I said, I prefer to use, I get them confused. It's Auntie Jackie, daughters Carol, sisters mothers, duders daughters, perils. I like Auntie Jackie's hair products more, but every time I go to the store, it ain't there. I can't ever find it. Everybody knows about the black vanilla Carol's Daughter. So this is what I use in my hair. I use both the shampoo and the conditioner, which is right here. So I use these together for my hair. Let me know if y'all have any better recommendations for me and my hair type. After I wash it, you guys will see kind of what hair type I'm working with. We're back. I don't even know how long I've been doing all of this for. It's now 5 o'clock and I'm over this. So I have my hair in this, you know, in just a t-shirt to dry it at least a little bit, just so it's not like dripping on my neck and stuff, because that'd be real annoying. I was thinking I wanted to blow dry my hair, but like I don't want to put heat on my natural hair. I got my detangling comb here. I don't want to blow dry my hair, but I want it to be completely dry because I'm about to braid it up and install a wig that I plan on wearing the next couple days. Like, shoot. I'm just gonna start detangling the bottom row of my hair and then just seeing where life takes me. We can use this instant detangling therapy. This is actually Auntie Jackie's, and this is what I was talking about earlier, that I love her products. My hair loves her products, I should even be saying, because it just responds so well to it. So put some of this in my hands and then I just massage. I'll just do a little bit at once. I don't like to rush the process. So once I feel like I have massaged it in there well, from here I take my detangling comb and I start from bottom to top. I do also grip my hair relatively tightly just so that I'm not tugging at my roots while I detangle my hair. So yeah, just wanted to share that. And voila. Once I finish the section, because I just don't want to keep tampering with it and irritating it. I have no like real logic behind this, behind half the things that I do for my hair care routine. I just do them and obey. Gonna braid her up, you know, braid pattern going on there. You feel me? Like this. I'm about to take them down anyway because I plan on putting cornrows in my head. Something like that. And I'm about to literally sit here and do that for the rest of my head. I'll be back. 40 defeating minutes later. Thank you. I am almost done with my Polar Express braids. So I'm just finishing up the top of my head right now, and I'm gonna do a little time lapse so y'all can see what I am doing to my head. I'm so over this, by the way. I don't know if I mentioned that yet. This entire clip was out of focus. Bye. Delete it. I just got done detangling my hair and braiding the sections up. Now I'm going to unbraid these sections up, and I'm gonna be putting cornrows in my hair. They're not gonna be anything like amazing or super flat or anything, but for the wig that I want to install in my hair, it'll at least be a little bit flatter. So I just want to stop putting combs to my head and detangling. Peace. I put these Booger Wolf cornrows in my head. I finally finished. I am beyond the point where I'm over it and I'm too tired. I'm done. Like, I'm thinking about stopping here and continuing tomorrow because this is taking way longer than I thought it would. And I don't know. I could still try the piece and the wig on just to see what my goal tomorrow will be, but I'm done. I want to just eat and watch true crime. I'm done. I'm over it. I'm moving on. I'm done with this relationship. So, cut. So I really wasn't lying, and I did give up after that clip. But here are some videos of my install that I ended up doing on myself. So let me know if you guys would like to see the actual process. I am also going to link and provide good resources to use for wig installs. Hello. It is now the next day. We are one nail shorter. Let's get started. I have the actual piece and I decided I'm going to be putting on a U part. We just have one dilemma. We have a couple dilemmas. First dilemma is I actually have blonde tips still on the ends of my hair. I also realized with doing the cornrows, I needed to leave the top out, of course, with it being a U part. What other dilemmas? I'm scared to put heat on my hair. I haven't put heat on my hair in, it has to have been over a year by now. So I'm scared and I have every right to be. I already effed up. So don't follow this tutorial. I am going to link a more qualified person in the description. So please follow their tutorial. I'm gonna show y'all the actual piece. So this is the bag that it came in. Second bag that it came in from Fixed Beauty Bundles. And then just opening her up, taking the bob out. And there's little netting, you know, like always, to protect the hair, flyaways, things like that. Okay, so looking at the unit, this is the length. She's a blunt bob. It has 3 little combs on the inside on the top, 2 on the side, and then there's also 1 in the back. We have these little bands to where we can adjust the length. And then this thick band too in here that you can adjust on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put her on. Bring it up a little closer. Clip it. And then we're gonna do another one here. Ooh. Stiff well. That's what I should be for Halloween. Anyway, this October when I'm filming this, I don't know when it's getting uploaded. This is our dilemma here. You do a tuck behind the ear moment, you're like, she almost fooled me. Got that little test strap. I'm leaving. I gotta fix this. And she never came back. You know, thank y'all for watching. She never did an outro either, so just make sure that you prescribe down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and hit that notification bell because James says I need to be saying that in all my videos. Bye!